Good afternoon, colleagues. This is your third and final lecture on leadership for the year or the semester. This is going to be all about assignment 3, which is your last assignment in terms of your article, which has to do with research methodology. So we are going to go through the research methodology. I will show you the research and the methodology. And then on Friday, when I give the class on Friday afternoon, I expect you to have gone through these slides and all the rest of the slides that I've put in within the slides so that we can have a Q&A and I can go through the assignments as in the learner guide. I have written 80% of this assignment for you. All you have to do is put in your participants and what they said. Remember, you are only interviewing 5 people, and please, it is not going to be Dr. Solly, Dr. Chris, Dr. Mazibuko, or myself. You now need to go out and find people that will have an impact on your research methodology. Right. First of all, you need to remember ethics in research. And ethics is basically about the way you conduct yourself and how you treat other people. It's a structure or a set of standards that prescribe or prohibit certain behaviors of members of a particular group. I don't want to find you arguing with the people that you're trying to interview. It's the best that you can be. You've got to be professional. And it applies universally to all researchers. And your rules describe the appropriate attitudes and behaviors and responsibilities. And they do not prohibit unprofessional conduct. And you need, if you don't know about ethics in research, please go and read about it. So, there are different types of research methods. First of all, you need to go and have a squiz at this table when I'm finished with you. The 3 types, unfortunately, with your type of research and our numbers, which normally in research we call N, your sample number, you're only going to have 5 people that you are going to interview. Now, the types of research that you're going to have is, number 1, it's going to be qualitative. You need numbers. You have 5 interviewees that you have to do. Number 2, you're working with people. People, behaviors, etc. make it quantitative. But the minute you start to work on qualitative and quantitative, it makes it a mixed method because you want to see how many people said, yes, this is what we want to change. How many people said, no, this is what we don't want to change. So let's just quickly go through. Qualitative is a narrative inquiry, which you are going to do. And then it's about ethnography. I don't think you guys are going to go too much into ethnography. Ethnography is basically about race and geographics. And I'm not really into ethnography. I don't believe that we need to go into that. So we're not going to use that. Then immediately, the minute you start interviewing people, you are in action research, okay, which is another side of research. You can either work on a theory going underneath that, which is a grounded theory. So somebody has put out this theory and you are trying to reprove that that theory is true. Or you take a case study, like a whole class of people, and you do a study on it. Right. The next one